I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Today we have Poopsie. Surprise!
I've been wanting these for such a long time.
I'm just gonna start. Oh, there's a pull tab.
Okay.
If somebody walks in and you hear noise, then not stop it. That's just my dad. Okay.
Wait, no, not yet.
I'm going. What? You gotta take off the sticker and start. Wait, is this supposed to be something? There it is. Okay. So I have got the unicorn food first.
Okay.
I'm just gonna start. Oh, and I'm just gonna take the top off.
Wait. Now you wait.
Unicorn magic.
Or not.
You can just keep going. This is just like not really that important.
Unicorn food.
What is this? Surprise
Unicorn
scent.
magic.
I'm gonna open my surprise scent. Oh wait.
Surprise scent.
Oh, okay.
I caught up to you.
Oh, this is such a cute little bottle. So,
and we don't know this scent.
Yeah.
I mean, you could open it and smell it.
Should we? No, wait, let's wait. Until we get the slime, so we can have like a surprise scented slime.
When it smells
ooh, okay. Then the magic spoon. Oh, the spoon. I forgot about the spoon.
Oh, yeah, the spoon.
So sorry about that, you guys.
I got a gold one.
Ooh, I got a silver one.
People say like the gold ones are special, but I don't think they are.
What is, do they all have the same thing on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. Wait, how do you even open this?
It says twist to unlock. Oh,
wait.
got it. So we
whoa,
got
this is big. What is this? Why is it so big?
Cup, our mini cup, our cup, and our little Poopsie guy.
I don't know which is which, but this is a big one.
I know. Let's open the...
Sorry about that. 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, guys.
One.
Oh,
it's so
okay.
cute.
I'm gonna open this up. It's
No, open the cup first.
Okay.
Because it's like our measuring... What? Prettiest cup ever.
Mine is a blue sparkle. Okay.
Mine is a pink sparkle.
So that's a cup.
I really
Okay.
like pink.
Now, do you want to open the Poopsie or the cup first?
The cup.
Okay.
And then we don't look at the checklist because it'll spoil who we got.
Oh, geez.
We're not looking at the checklist. We don't want to know who we got. But I got like Poopsie Express. Have you ever been to Panda Express or whatever it's called? Wait. Panda Express. There's a panda one. Did I get the panda?
I have no idea, but
if I did, I'm gonna be like,
oh, this is pretty cute.
Okay, so
wait,
you like
this reminds me of the little pineapple one that's on the front of the.
Smell it!
Oh.
Wait, did you get the pineapple one?
I don't know. It kind of reminds me of that one, like on the front of the thing.
Because if you did, that one's a rare.
Okay, so I don't even know how to make this. Is there instructions? Okay, yeah, there is. Okay.
Wait, we gotta open our guy.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Oh my god, I got the pineapple one.
I got the... This is smaller than this. I got the panda!
You do not need to yell, but this is so cute.
It has some stuff on it.
Oh, does it? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, that's okay. It's so cute. Oh my god.
Oh, these are way smaller than I thought, but that makes it cuter.
Okay, so yeah.
Literally in the store, I'm like, oh my god, I want the panda.
I heard you say that.
Yeah. I feel like every time I say I want something,
I'm gonna open this. So you're supposed to put the slime in here.
Another one, I'm like, oh, I want that one.
Okay,
Then
I don't think this will hold all the slime.
I think there's a little bit of an extra.
Oh my gosh. But that is super cute, so now we're gonna make it. Open up.
Oh, look at even the keychain
has
is
a
a unicorn
on it. Okay.
Okay.
So the instructions. Okay.
It just.
I've never made this, so I don't want to do it wrong. Okay.
Oh, that's so cute.
Remove the lid. Okay. Step 2: fill the measuring cup to the fill line with water.
Measuring cup.
Okay. So I'll be right back after we do that. Let's got our little scent bottles open.
I got coconut or pineapple. Oh, I think I got pineapple.
Ooh, that smells so good.
Ooh, smell mine.
Ooh, that smells like pineapple. Yeah.
I got pineapple, guys. I wanted pineapple too because I love pineapples.
Okay, so now we gotta add 5 drops.
Oh yeah, I definitely got pineapple.
Okay,
Yours,
ready?
wait, yours kind of smelled like cinnamon. Is there a beer flavor?
I think a root beer maybe.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, the fifth one won't get out. 5. Oh geez, I almost did. That's too many.
2, 3.
Did 5? Whoa, does the set have glitter? Because somehow there's glitter in it. Okay.
4.
Tear open unicorn food packet. Pour the powder into the cup. You got it?
Yep. Not the 5th one. 5.
So you tear open the unicorn food and add it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get some. Oh, actually, just kidding. There's a tear one.
Tear it. Oh, still tear.
Tear it open and add the whole thing. And pour the powder into the cup.
Pink.
How do you tell what color yours is? Whoa, blue?
Whoa.
I think mine's blue.
Mine looks like blue and purple and pink.
Okay. Tightly close the lid.
Okay.
Tightly close the lid. Shake for 1 minute. Then let it sit for 10 minutes. So I guess we'll be back in 10 minutes. Guys, we have not opened them yet. We're so excited.
Timer just went off. We can see what color. Why
like
is
blue.
it not on me?
Sorry. Wait, there's some on the lid.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. This is so weird.
What? It's almost like not slime.
It's like the oh my gosh, it reminds me of the stuff on the outside of the ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, that's this is different than.
Mine's.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, you guys!
Whoa.
This is such a good
Did you even use
slime.
your spoon?
Yeah, I did.
I did too.
Ooh, it smells gross.
Ew.
The powder made it smell bad. Maybe we can add
Whoa.
more. This is so cool.
Okay, this is not gonna fit in there. This is really good.
I never even
slime.
use my spoon, so let's use it.
It's not gonna. Oh, that's such a pretty color, but it changes with the unicorn magic.
So it's not gonna be.
So let's see what color it can change.
This
to
is
if we
so
get a checklist.
cool, you guys.
Checklist. What color?
It does
will
rip a little bit, but it's
Mine
super
is going to
stretchy.
change pink. Hers is going to change pink. Or like a reddish, violety.
That's
weird.
This
Blue
is
to red?
This is such
I get
a
mine.
pretty
Purple
small.
to pink.
I
It
love
makes
this.
it lighter.
This is such a cool one.
Or maybe it'll just be a lighter purple and a lighter blue, maybe.
Oh my god, I
Okay,
love
let's
this.
add the unicorn shimmer, guys.
This actually turned out way better than the So Slime like DIY that I had.
I mean, mine kind of is like the same.
Wait.
But I would more
Wait,
play
let
with
me
this, because the
cut.
other one's kind of hard.
Wait, let's see how much it fits.
Not saying So Slime DIY is
They're
bad.
actually pretty good.
They're actually really good.
Ooh.
But I'm saying like...
Okay, the Metamucil slime
This-
kits were some of the best slime kits I've had. The other ones didn't really work
Yeah,
for me.
except there's probably ones that do work. We
Just
just
haven't
didn't get.
Okay, let's fit it in here. No, not even close. Let's rip it in half.
Okay, I can't open mine.
Exactly half of it fits in there. Maybe not even, let's see. So, oh, that's so cute. I mean, if you want to carry around half of your slime.
Yeah,
Go
I'm
ahead.
probably not going to actually keep it in here. I'm probably going to, I don't know. Probably going to
I'm going to keep mine. Actually, I don't know.
stuff it in.
Okay. Yeah, exactly half fits in there. Okay. So let's look at the next step.
Let's add the unicorn shimmer.
Okay.
Exactly half fits in mine too.
Okay, this is gonna get everywhere. I'm just gonna, can I like spread it out? Wait, can I like pour like some into the spoon and then
Yeah,
put it in?
half fits in here. So if you want to carry around half, you can.
Yeah.
Aubrey said.
Oh, it's getting everywhere.
Oh, Jesus. What? I said, oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh, guys. Ah. Whoa! Oh my gosh, wait. You can just see it changing already, like the glitter.
Oh, that's a lot.
Look, you can see it. You can see how it's gonna change.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
did you
yeah,
add
I
all of
can't-
it? Whatever, I'll clean the table after this.
Add all of it.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
That's so much. I don't think you're supposed to add all of it.
So far,
Can you see that?
your slime's not really on. Sophie, be careful. Don't get it on your shirt.
I'll get a glitter shirt.
Definitely need to add
After
more.
this, can we do a video of us putting on our Halloween decor?
Oh, this is so pretty right now. I kind of don't want to add more. And it could just be like, look, mine could just be like this, but when you stretch it, you can see the pink. But
Too late for me now.
I think I'm going to add the rest in. Oh.
It feels like flour.
Whoa, it does. Oh my gosh, this is so, uh-oh.
Okay. Cookie Swirl C did this. And they're like, she's like,
It's
oh my
kind of making it a
God,
little
mess.
stickier.
Yeah.
Mine's not color changing.
Shout out to Cookie Swirl C.
Sophie, what?
Watch our videos, please.
Sophie, she's not. How would you give her a shout out and tell us to watch our videos if she doesn't watch them so she wouldn't find it?
I'm saying,
Guys, mine's not color changing. Is this really supposed to?
yeah.
This kind of looks weird.
Yeah, mine's white.
Keep stirring it. Wait, mine is shimmer. Yours was like pearly. So yours was metallic.
Metallic.
Mine is my shimmer or sparkle?
Probably sparkle.
Wait, but sparkle is ultra rare.
I definitely got.
Is this shimmer or sparkle, guys? I can't
This is
tell.
metallic, right?
Kind of, yeah.
I think this is metallic.
I can't tell if this is shimmer or sparkle. Sophia, oh, you just got all over your pants. Oh my gosh. Okay, so
Oh no.
mine didn't really color change, which is I'm kind of confused
It's all
about.
over me.
Maybe it doesn't color change, but the glitter is definitely a
Mine did.
pinkish. Okay, the glitter
Mine
is
color changed a lot.
the glitter is the pinkish color that it said it was gonna color change to.
Or maybe it doesn't change. Maybe that
That's the
you
color
could
of the
just
glitter.
maybe you could just get either like blue food or purple food.
Oh yeah. Doesn't really poke that well, but
We're gonna have shimmer.
this is so pretty. You can't even really see the shimmer.
Mine is weird. When you say like it's not like I don't know how to describe it.
It's
pretty.
kind of normal slime, but it's like a
pretty.
it's like a metamucil.
Dude,
You can't really see it,
that? Oh yeah, you can see yours a lot.
but not as much as you
Mine.
can like this.
Holy crap, there's a lot.
Oh, this is so.
Yeah, mine's
pretty, guys.
definitely metallic.
Anyways, guys, I hope you
Hope you
enjoyed the
enjoyed.
video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.